Nanjing LIMX Electric Company Limited is a comprehensive technology enterprise that integrates drawing, design, and quotation of integrated distribution equipment, complete distribution cabinet design, and wholesale and retail of related brand components, consumables, and auxiliary materials. We have provided services to multiple clients and achieved significant results in the distribution of green building projects. Our technological products are widely used in various engineering projects and other construction fields. We are a service provider of system solutions for the global energy industry and an enterprise specializing in the production of complete energy control systems, adhering to the development concept of innovation, coordination, green, openness, and sharing, actively developing large-scale clean energy. We gather a group of senior experts, professionals in electrical management and design who have rich industry experience and profound professional knowledge and can provide you with high-quality and professional services. All team members have relevant professional qualification certificates and continue to receive professional training and learning, keeping up with industry development trends to ensure that we provide you with cutting-edge and applicable solutions. We are well aware that every customer has their own unique distribution needs and usage environment.